Abortions by Isabella Rivera. As defined by the Oxford Dictionary, an abortion is the deliberate termination of a human pregnancy, most often performed during the first 28 weeks of pregnancy. Abortions have been practiced for thousands of years, aging back to the mid to late 1800s. At that time, abortions were made legal in many states, but as some states did not legalize it. In 1972, allegedly 1.2 million women were harmed due to back alley abortions. In 1973, one-third of the states liberalized and repealed their criminal abortion laws. Many incidents and cases have led to law changes throughout time. 1973's Roe v. Wade. Jane Roe, who was 21 at the time, was pregnant and wanted an abortion but could not due to the laws in Texas. Henry Reid defended the state laws, which were 100% against abortions. In the end, the Supreme Court decided that women could legally get an abortion by a professional. They acknowledged the fact that it is a woman's decision and body, and she should be able to choose without the opinion of the state. 1986 Webster v. RHS. Due to this case, Missouri enacted legislation that included prohibiting public employees from providing or assisting in abortions that were not necessary to save the life of a woman, prohibiting the use of public buildings for providing abortions, and requiring physicians to perform viability tests when the pregnancy was at least 20 weeks old. 1992 Casey v. Planned Parenthood. Due to this case, before an abortion is performed, a woman must be lectured on the risk of having an abortion and also must be informed about help if she wanted to have the baby, such as foster care and child support provided by the father, and things that were alternate to abortions. The woman must sign that she is informed of all this and has to wait a 24-hour period before going on with the abortion. If she was under 18, she must get a parental consent, and if she could not get one, she was able to talk to a judge and convince them why she was not needed of a consent and reasons why she should get the abortion. If a spouse was involved, their consent must be granted as well. Stats. Today, about 4 in every 10 pregnancies are aborted. 18% of these abortions are from teens under the age of 20. 57% of them are from women under the age of 30, and the other 25% from women under 45. There's a constant protest between pro-life and pro-choice activists. Pro-life. Pro-life activists are those who are against abortion and take up about 51% of today's population. One of their main goals is to make people outside the church see that abortion is wrong. The beliefs of the church used to be the only thing that would cover for saving a fetus, but now many other tactics are used. They also enlighten people on the status and rights of a fetus. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says that a human is a person who is born, and one does not have rights until they are born. But pro-life activists argue that all humans are entitled to human rights, including a fetus, and an abortion does not respect that. In 2011, 92 abortion-preventing laws were passed in 24 states, and each of those laws protect the humanity of an unborn child. Pro-choice. Pro-choice are people who believe a woman has the right to do what she wants with her body, and it is her choice all the way. They make up about 44% of the populations. Many things could severely impact a woman's life and cause the thought of an abortion, and making them illegal takes that right away. Pro-choice activists do not only protest about the choice of your body, but also gay rights, family planning, and many other things. In my opinion, abortion should be legal because there should be a reasoned barrier for getting one. If a woman wants to abort a fetus because she is carelessly having sex, then she should not be granted one. There are many contraceptives to prevent a pregnancy from happening, and that should be thought about before your actions, and sometimes you just have to deal with your consequences. There are also other circumstances abortion should be available for, such as an attack of some sort, or if the mother's life is at risk. Many times, a pregnancy can cause complication in a mother's body and could potentially be life-threatening. In conclusion, terminating a life that could have so much potential and a place in the world shouldn't be someone's number one option. But life is complicated, and for that reason, abortion should be left legal. Laws towards getting them should look on reasons behind a woman's choice and their level of responsibility. Abortion should be kept open for the right reason, not as a way out of a difficult situation.